If your Zapier workflow is showing a current time or date and time formatting error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a simple solution that can help you format your date and time correctly so your Zap runs smoothly without errors. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to Zapier and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for Assets on the left side and click on it. From there, click on Zap Workflows so you can find the automation that is causing the error. Next, open the Zap that is causing the current time issue. This is the workflow where you want to fix the date and time formatting. After that, click the plus icon to add a new step. Now select Formatter by Zapier. Formatter is the tool that lets you clean up, change, and standardize values before they move to the next step in your Zap. Once Formatter opens, click Choose an Event. From the list of options, choose Date and Time. This is the category you need when you want to work with dates, timestamps, and time formats. After that, select Date Time and then click Continue. Now you'll see the formatting setup screen. Click Choose Value and select the date or time field that is causing the issue. This could be a timestamp from another app, a dynamic field from your form, or any time-related value that needs to be converted properly. Next, choose Format. Select the format option so Zapier knows you want to change how the date or time is displayed. Then choose the date and time input you want to work with. This step is important because the formatter needs the exact source value before it can convert it correctly. After that, select the required date and time format. If you want a standard readable format, choose a format that matches your workflow requirements. For example, you can choose mm/dd/YYYY space hh:/m:/se, or you can pick another format that fits the app you are sending data to. If the receiving app expects a different layout, make sure you match that format exactly. This is one of the most important parts of the fix, because many Zapier current time errors happen when the input format does not match the output format. Once you've selected the format, review the formatted output carefully. Zapier will show you a preview of how the date and time will look after conversion. Check that the result looks correct and that the time zone, date order, and time format are all displaying the way you want. If everything looks good, save the step and continue testing your Zap. In many cases, this simple Formatter by Zapier adjustment is enough to fix the current time error and make your automation run properly again. If the issue was caused by an incompatible date format, this step should resolve it. And that's it. You've now fixed the Zapier current time issue by adding Formatter by Zapier and formatting the date and time correctly. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Zapier tips, automation fixes, and step-by-step software guides.